Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So it's no mystery that I haven't been maybe as into the Charger as I once was. And one of the main reasons I think I'm realizing that the reason for that is it's because it's too loud. I love how loud it is, but it kind of turns it into like a weekend car, and I don't like that. I want something that I can daily drive, and that was like kind of the whole point of it. But at this point, it's kind of obnoxious to drive home, you know, later than like 8 or 9 o'clock, because it'll just wake everybody up, or leave late, just because it's so obnoxious. And I'm trying to be considerate to my neighbors. So what we're gonna do today, I hate to say it, but we're gonna get some mufflers. So let's talk about what our options are. And the car is filthy dirty, so I'll have to get a car wash too. But anyway, these are our muffler options. So for anyone who doesn't know, this car is a 7-liter, a 426 with a Procharger D1SC and a cam, and a few other things done to it, a fuel system and stuff. But it's a decently fast car, and it's just really loud is the problem. And although I like loud, it's kind of I don't know, it's kind of obnoxious. So it's the adult in me going to do this, and I'm not gonna have my loud car anymore, but it'll allow me to enjoy it a little bit better. So the point was never to not have mufflers on the car. The car started with the muffler delete, and then when I got some more stuff done to it later, it ended up being louder, and at this point it's too loud with a cam and everything. So what I'm looking to do is just probably put the stock mufflers back on. The initial idea was to put these race bullet mufflers on the car, and these are the same that my wife has on her Challenger over there. And these are just small race bullet mufflers, and I bought these and I brought these to Pites in the beginning for him to put on, but he wasn't able to do it, and I was supposed to go somewhere else to do it, and that just never happened. So at this point the car does not have any mufflers on it, but I'm thinking this isn't going to be enough. And for anyone who hasn't heard the car, you'll understand why in a second when I turn it on. But this isn't going to be enough muffler. So these are the other mufflers for both cars. One set's for mine and the other set's for my wife. I don't know which is which, so probably going to bring both of these. I just don't want it to be too loud, and I don't want it to sound bad either, but I don't think it's going to sound bad pretty much no matter what you do. It's just needs to be quieter. me to show it? It sounds way, way, way quieter. Okay, so it is the next day. I got the mufflers put on, everything went well. It just was starting to rain, and of course I have drag radials on. So I didn't want to get caught in the rain, so I just kind of hurried home after that. But this gives me the opportunity to give you a cold start, and so I have to say it is a lot quieter than it was, but I think it still sounds good. I don't know, we'll have to do, so I'll do a cold start from the same distance as yesterday, and that way we can have a more of a comparison, and we'll see how it sounds. But I'm pretty happy with it. So So there you have it. It's by no means quiet. I'm not sure how well you can tell on the camera, but it's not quiet. There you have it. I'm actually pretty happy with the sound. It's not sure how well you can tell on the mic, but it's definitely has like a deeper sound, like less of the rasp, like the kind of the high pitch rasp. It's like more like just mellow, low, and I actually like the way it sounds. It sounds good. It's still loud. It's definitely not quiet, but it's not like piercing, like wake up the entire neighborhood, like jump out of bed scared loud. Where it's like shaking the houses and stuff. So not bad, not bad. So there you have it. There is the muffler delete removal, muffler re-adding, muffler add, I guess. Delete versus add. Yeah, so muffler add, stock muffler add. Anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm peace.
Pilot in his cockpit seated, black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated. Weed is engaged in the pavement, rubber escorts like I'm seeking arrangement. Push the gas, escalate the gauges, escalate hits on the cam.